Obviously, the first step is going to be to figure out what you're going to send in and then locate in your manage inventory page. You go ahead and on the left, you'll see edit, click the drop down arrow, click send replenish inventory, and then follow the prompts and choose the settings that best suit your need for your inventory. And once you get to the label products tab, under label requirements, you will select down here. We're going to just choose this one, Home 3. We use for our products. We'll go ahead and print labels for this page and then save the file. All right, now that we have the labels opened up in Adobe Reader, we can select the size we need and print. Real quick, I'm going to show you. I did the 30 up sheet, which pretty much the same as this. So 1 1/8 by 3 1/2. The Dymo 30252, which is what I personally like to use for FBA shipments. So we'll go ahead and go to edit, take a snapshot, pick any one of the labels, let go, and you can click OK. Once you get the confirmation message and you hit Control P, you can click the printer here for the quickest print. Make sure you have the Dymo label selected from your drop down. Go to page setup if this size right here is not the size you want. As I said, we're going to use a 30252, so we'll go to size. And even though this isn't a Dymo app, it will have all the Dymo models here if you have your drivers and everything installed. Address labels. Click OK. You can see 1.1 by 3.5. We'll just have to fix that. Click Auto Portrait. And if you have selected graphic, that's the one you had on the snapshot, your actual size, you'll go ahead and update your quantity. We have 100 on the shipment. And then you click print. So printing is the last step. If you have any issues leading up to this point, please contact us via email or website or in the description of this video. I'm going to put the links to the products used in this video in the description. And go ahead and give us a thumbs up or a like or a follow if this video helped you at all. Would really appreciate it. Thank you.